Roaming around tonight, you by my side. Nothing compares to this. I cannot lie.
Hey people, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Daniel here again. You guys, this is literally the highly requested, is how they say it. Like, this is the most requested video ever that you guys have ever requested from me. Daniel, house tour, room tour, apartment tour, blah 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 tour, those stuff tour. And I moved into this apartment a little over, no, I think almost a year ago, like maybe a week to today will make it a year. And I thought it was going to be that thing, like I thought it was going to be everything. I thought that I was going to rent the apartment and then I'm just going to decorate and then start living my content creator and whatnot life. But that did not happen. I rented this apartment. I started like decorating as much as I could, and then I'm like, I'm going to leave here very, very soon. That's when it dawned on me that I was actually going to leave. And I'm like, why are you doing all these plenty things when you're still going to leave? And then I stopped decorating at some point, and then when it got to like my birthday period, I'm like, okay, let me start decorating again because life is one, enjoy it. And then I tried that, and I went on this whole hiatus from YouTube or content creation because I was trying to prepare for my final exams and all of that shebang. I did do stuff, I did change a bit of stuff here and there. I even did like some changes in my bedroom, but we're not going to do that today. And here we are. I asked you guys the other day, I think 2 days ago on my Instagram, if you guys still wanted a living room tour, and you guys said yes. So today we are going to do that. You guys, decorating this apartment was fun, but it was also not what I thought it was going to be. It wasn't the easiest stuff because I had to work with artisans, and whew, those people, they will stress you, they will make you question your existence. Honestly, a lot of this stuff here, I did like get artisans to do them, and if you've been watching the vlogs, you would know that, you know, like I had to wait certain periods of time to like get, oh my god, the sunlight is sunning. I had to wait like certain period of time to like get artisans to come do stuff and blah blah blah, and it was not easy at all. However, I'm so grateful that it is where it is right now. I am not doing any other thing. God, my this thing has been cutting my head off. I am so grateful, honestly. Let me just increase the tripod height so I can, exactly. I'm so grateful that we are where we are right now. I am not here for a really long time anymore. I was only waiting for like a particular date, and I got the date already. So I know that I'm not like here for a really long time anymore. Like once it's next week and I go home, the next time I'm going to be here is probably to come pack up my stuff and leave this apartment. I'm so grateful for the growth here. This was really a leap of faith for me, but that's story for another day. And yeah, all the growth and whatnot, but that's why you guys are here. You're here for the tour. So I'm doing this tour alone, which is also something I didn't know I was going to do. I wanted someone else to film me, but I can't have that, so I'm just going to do this tour alone. When it comes to pricing of these things, if you watch my vlogs, you already know I most times do not know pricing. Like once I pay for stuff, I just forget it. But I'll try my best to like get actual prices. If I can't get the prices, I'll give you a range. That's like the best I can do. And then I'll only mention places I got stuff from if and only if I got like good service from them. Because I don't want problem, I don't want drama. Do you understand that? So this is how you come into my living room. I am just at the door. I can't show you guys the door, obviously, but that's the door is what is bringing the light into this house right now. So we come from here. On the left here, there's a tripod I was just standing on. The first thing you get to is this curtains. So I had this curtain in my old apartment. This first one here, I had it in my old apartment, and then I changed it to something else. And then I changed that something else to something else before getting this one. So this one is the one I got recently. I got it from a market here in Port Harcourt. I can't remember the name of the market. Or a meal market, exactly. So this is the curtain. I don't know what it's called, honestly, but I knew that I got the inspiration from my friend Abu Ara on Instagram. She has like a really, really beautiful space. So I had to send her DM and everything. And I think I got this one for 2,000 naira a yard. Yes, I think it's 2,000 naira a yard, and I ended up buying 8 yards, and then I sew it in, like they did the whole sewing and everything in the market, and it's really, really nice. It is really, really nice. So basically, because it's two, I bought something else for this one, but when I brought it home, I did not like it, so I now doubled it, if that makes sense. And yeah, so moving on, I think we should just do left. There was originally supposed to be something here, but again, we did not complete this house. This mirror thingy here, I've had this thing for almost 4 months now, but I only just put it up a few days ago. Weird, I know, but I mean, it is what it is. Let me show my face here. Hi guys, hola. So I got this thing from an Instagram vendor. She follows me on Instagram. I remember putting up something on my Instagram and she says, oh, she sells like wall art and stuff. And then I saw this one, I liked it, but it was actually in gold and I spray painted it black. And I love it. I knew I was going to spray paint it black when I bought it because it was 18,000 naira to get this old stuff. Let me go back a bit so you guys can see. I hate that they get to nail stuff, or I got to nail stuff here. I wanted to use like glues and stuff, but the glues were not glowing. That's what I can just say. So this one cost 18,000 naira only. She does how to say those things. Now we come back here and the center, the sofa. I think that's what it's, I wanted to say center table, but yeah, the sofa, this was the very first thing that I got in the house. It is, let me just move here so you guys can see it properly. It is a really, really nice sofa, if I'm being honest, like a really, really nice sofa. Like, I really love it. It was the first thing I got here and it cost me somewhere around 90,000 naira. Very expensive, I know, but again, I can't even recommend the guy that did it. I used an artisan. I cannot recommend him because he was a really, really shitty person to work with, honestly. He did most of the furnitures in the house, or some of the this one, some other stuff, and like my kitchen cabinet and every other woodwork in the kitchen, he did them. But he's a really, really shitty person. His work is nice, but job ethic, I hate it already. So it cost me 90,000 naira. It's a 3-seater, but obviously this thing contains more than 3 people, so, or yeah, more than 3 people can sit down here, but they call it 3-seater, and it is really, really good. I've never had any issues with it, and yeah, it is nice. Then we move down here. This center table, yeah, it's called center table here. Originally, you guys, I did not want it. Like, when they did it, I did not like the color because the color was not going with the floor or with any other furniture in this house, and I wanted to change it, but it was really last minute, and I'm like, I don't think I'm even going to do this house tour again, so I may as well just leave it. It cost me 15,000 naira, I think. It was just like a carpenter down my street actually did it, and the man did an amazing job. Like, it was everything I wanted. It was not just the color, if that makes sense. So it's giving me this reddish brown kind of thing, and I wanted like some other kind of brown that was close. I wanted him to spray paint or paint it again, but it was going to cost me extra money, which was not the problem. It was just the time that I did not have. And here I just have like my remote and then the book I am trying to read at the moment. I've not started it. I am just trying to read it at the moment. So there is that. Moving on, I have this beautiful, beautiful Ascent chair here. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You guys already know where this is from, but in case you don't know, this is from Taylor. They're an Instagram store. I don't think they're just an Instagram store. They also have a website and everything. I worked with them sometime this year and they sent this to me. You guys, I love it. Like, sitting on this is so comfortable. Your back is rested. Everything is given. And then this pillow thing, where did I get this from? I got this from Everyday Supermarket here in Port Harcourt, Everyday Emporium here in Port Harcourt for 3,000 naira. This Ascent chair is going to cost you somewhere around 50,000 naira if you're ordering it from Taylor. And then my rug, I got it sometime in January, I think. So this rug, I really, really love it. Like, it is what I wanted, although like I'm not going to go for this kind of design again, but it is what I wanted. It was just smaller. So I did not know, again, because it's my first time decorating an apartment, so I did not know what to expect, but the design, the feel and everything is what I wanted. And it cost me, I think 30k per one. I cannot remember this. Somewhere around 30k, and this is 4x6. I wish I had gotten the 5x7 because I wanted it to like go under the what's that thing called, the chair or the legs of the chair, but it's still fine. It works, and we just have to like do a lot of cleaning and stuff. And because I live in PH, so the TV station. So this TV console, it was actually made by the same guy that made my sofa. This is what this TV console looks like. Let me open it for you guys to see. I don't know what's inside, honestly. Oh yeah, so I have, wow, I don't know why I have these, but a bunch of spray paints, chargers. I don't know why I have like my dank candles, what's that thing called, containers, door handles that get the board bad. I don't know what they're here. This TV guard stuff. So basically I think it's a junk cupboard. I rarely opened this. And then this one
is for like books that I am reading or that I have read. I just don't want books everywhere. So that's what I keep there. On the top of it is my favorite candle from Jackie Lagos. You guys saw when I got this, or yeah, when I got this as a gift on my birthday. I still haven't burnt it. I think I'm going to give it out to someone. The candle, the reason I've not burnt it is that it is just too good. I got this in a PR package today and I love it here, and it's smelling really good, like really good. Anyways, I just have my MiFi here. That's the brand that I use. And then my other candle is from Nello KKX Claire Marcos, another favorite of mine. It smells very powdery. I love it, but I haven't been lighting candles or burning candles in this house because see, Biko, everywhere is hot. There's hot, or there's heat everywhere, so I cannot. But this is the, what's it called, TV stand, and it cost me, I think 60k. Yeah, definitely 60k. Yeah, this cost me 60k to do. It was overpriced. Again, I can't be explaining things, but it was overpriced and I wish I didn't have to spend that much money. I was going to change it, but I ended up not changing because again, I'm moving. And then I have my good old TV here. You guys saw when I bought this. I can't remember the price again, but it's a iSense Smart TV 43 inches, if that helps anybody. This is the speaker. I also bought the speaker. I remember buying it for like 20 something K. I remember the price of this one for 20 something K. It's also from iSense and it's really good. Me, I'm not very big on all these noise making things, but yeah, I mean, I like speakers, but I think this one just works. I mean, I've heard people say it's not like loud enough for them, but this works on. I went to something that just happened right before this video. There was a smaller vase here that I removed. I bought this vase because I wanted something bigger, but it did not work out. The plants, I got them from a shop here in Port Harcourt. It's totally irrelevant. Then this tool here, you guys saw when I got it from Lagos. I got it from Lekki Arts and Crafts Market in Lagos, and I think it cost me around 18,000 or 20,000. It was like a very big bargain for me, honestly. Like, I remember pricing that day, and I wanted like plants to be on it. You guys know there was a time I had plants and everything, if you've been here for a while, but I just could not keep up. I could not, so I just kept it here. That's why it's here, and it's really nice, very sturdy. If this thing falls, the person downstairs is hearing it, but I try not to. I just leave it here, so that is why it is here. So we're done with the living room area. Now we are in the dining area. The dining area, I wanted it to be really simple. I did not want to do too much. I just wanted a dining area that was serving as a dining area, right? So as you guys can see, that's literally what we have. I got these chairs. I don't know what they are called, but I got this chair from a furniture shop here in Port Harcourt. I got it for 26,000 naira a piece, and I have 4 here. I remember buying it like the day I received the table. This table was done by my parents' carpenter in Lagos, and the man really delayed, which is very not like unlike him. That man doesn't delay work, and he has been working for my family for a really long time. All the furnitures we have in my family house, he did all of them. Even my childhood bed, he did it, and his work is really clean and it doesn't delay, but it had plenty things going on. But this particular work here, he did well. He did amazing. Even though the delivery time was not good, he did amazing. The wood was exactly what I wanted. I requested a particular wood. He got that exact wood. The legs, oh yeah, that's what's called, right? Yeah, the legs are exactly what I wanted. Everything just worked right. Again, I can't remember how much this cost, but it wasn't as expensive as it was going to be if I had bought it from somewhere on Instagram. That's all I can just say. This is a PR package I received this morning from Lion Sense, and the keys of some gates in this house. We're always repairing keys of gates in this house. I don't know why. And then on the wall here, we have this artwork. I got this from Lekki Arts and Crafts Market in Lagos when I went to Lagos, or when I was in Lagos earlier this year. So we have about 3 of them. One of them is in the living room area. I don't know why I did not show you guys that. So this one is a child drumming. There's a chicken, God. And then this one is a man drumming. Let me show you guys the one in the living room area. So this is a mom and a child coming from the stream, I think. So this one, when we were fixing it, it broke. So there's no glass here, but you won't like know unless you come close to it. So the other ones have glass on it. This one doesn't have glass on it. And again, if you watch my vlogs, you remember when this broke. I just kept it here. Nothing was supposed to be here. I cannot remember, but yeah. And I think it looks good, right? Yeah, I think it does look good. Then the rug for the dining area, I got it from Yaba. Oh yeah, both the rugs are from Yaba. So was it Yaba? Ikboring? Was it Ikboring? Yes, I think Ikboring Yaba, yes. I got them from Ikboring Yaba. I really, really love this one. The black and the white, or the cream. They just go well. I just love it. And it's really, really nice. But again, it's also small because I got 4x6 instead of 5x7. But they get the job done.
You guys, that was a lot of work that I did not expect, but yeah, we're done. This is my I was going to say my empty apartment tour, but not yet. This is my living room tour. It is very minimal, very simple. I always wanted, or I still always want things that are very simple, very minimal. I don't want things that don't have use. I don't want things that are just going to occupy space because I want my space to look a certain way. If it's in this space, then it has to have a use, or I have to be using it for it to be here, just so I don't, like, when you have so much things, you just be cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. So I just have tried to avoid that, which is why everything is looking the way it is. And in my opinion, I did really, really well. You guys let me know, did I do well? I can't show you guys my bedroom because there's so much going on there, but know that I changed my bed frame. I sold the older the old bed frame, and I got a new one, and I'm going to give the one I have out. I've already given it out. I'm just sleeping on it, but I've already given out my current bed frame because again I'm moving. What else? That's it. Please, if you like the video, do not forget to click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to leave a comment, please. You guys, all these things help my channel grow. Also, I need it. Do you understand? I need it. We're moving, and you guys already know I'm moving, so I'm moving to Lagos, and Lagos is not cheap by any means necessary, but we're gonna do it because I have you guys have me, and we have God. Is that okay? And see you in my next video. Peace out.